skill will actually add up to the degree I will acquire.
I learned today was beyond expectation. I specialize in photography and I learned about framing and lighting. I encourage all the girls who want to be in the media or the tech world to take every opportunity and chance upon it to explore and inspire others.
As an intern, then I was the only female. Wow. Dealing with all male editors. So the body language and what they say go hand in hand. So if you're a lady and they give you a microphone and then you are looking so...
On video production, drone piloting, it was so wonderful. And the videographers and the photographers, how the young ladies will be able to know their aperture first and also their ISO and their shutter speed.
The course Cinema Media Skills for Him.